right, today we're going to be making red hot cinnamon kettle corn. All right, today we're going to be making red hot cinnamon kettle corn. So we use this glaze pop product. It's red hot cinnamon, and you use half the amount of popcorn kernels you use with this glaze pop. So today we're using 3 cups of popcorn kernels, so we'll use 1.5 cups of red cinnamon glaze pop. All right, we're going to add our 1.5 cups of oil, 3 cups of corn. We'll heat it up. All right, popcorn's popping. We're gonna add our red cinnamon glaze pop and get that mixed up. Oh yeah, it starts getting foaming. Oh, you can smell the cinnamon. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like, oh yeah, it smells like apple pie, almost like cinnamon apple pie. It's so strong, it's really good. Okay. Oh yeah, you can really smell that cinnamon in there. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like red hots. All right, we got our red hot going here. Popping up real good. Oh yeah, you can smell that. It smells terrific. Kill the heat. And here we have our red hot cinnamon popcorn. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, flavor on that is awesome.